Nag-uumpisa? Dapat, bakit yung A hindi na una? Ang tawag doon?
Axe.
Tabi ng axe.
Ewan. What letter is that?
Tubig agad.
This one ako. Look. I'll teach you. And dip here. And then color it there. Like this. Oh, see?
Langgam mo, ang ganda.
Blue one. Wow. Put it there and put in the color. Put it there first in the water, and then put in the color. Here, the color. What do you want? Orange, like this, and put it here. Wow! It's so good. Water first, water. And then dip in the color. How about the yellow one? Dip in the yellow one. There. And then color it. Wow! So nice. Oh.
Mama.
Po. Dip in the water. And the red one naman. The red one nak. Here. The red one. Here. Dip in the color and color it in the apple. Oh no. It's okay. You can do it all you want.
Look.
You like painting?
The water first.
Yes, water and then the color. The color. What's the color do you want? Color naman na, color.
The red.
Go.
Look.
Where's the color red? Here's the color red. Dip in the water. And then put in the red color. Like this. And then put it here. Whoa! Did you see that? Diba? Oh. Wow.
The water please.
Dip in the water and in the color. What color do you want?
Yes.
It's the color of the ants. It's red also. How about the avocado? What's the color of the avocado? It's green. Dip in the water and dip in the green. Where's the green one? This one, no? The green one. And the avocado. Where's the avocado? Here. Paint it in avocado. Wow, very good. Good job. Very good talaga yung baby ni Mama. It's white.
It's white.
Yes. How about black? Where do you want to put the black one? Here's the black one. Yes, where do you want to put it? Maybe here. Diba? Wow. Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Clap mo eh.
Do you want to paint in the carpet? Kasi hindi pantay yung ano. Here na.
The carpet.
Yes. Diyan ka mag-paint na. Para ano. Hindi kasi maano eh. Ayan. Yun pala eh. Diba?
Sabi ko eh, clap mo eh.
Diba?
Sabi ko eh, clap mo eh.
Dip in the water and dip in the color. What color do you want? How about the brown one?
What's so brown?
Here. Yes, and put it there. Woo.
How about Papa Airplane?
What's the color of Papa Airplane? It's blue. Where is the blue one? The blue. Here's the blue na. Dip in the blue. Dip it in blue color so that you can paint it blue. Diba?
Blue paint.
Here. Here's the blue. Put it in the airplane. Where's the airplane?
In the window.
Wow, baby. Oh, careful. Oh, no. Te, pengi pa kaming tubig, te. Unti lang, te. It's okay, nak. It's okay. We're gonna get some water again, okay? Kasi laglag. Here's the nalaglag, oh. And the basahan, te. Sus, nagmunwok pa eh.
Di nga ako alam.
Michael Jackson.
Yes. Michael Jackson knows how to moonwalk. How about you, nak? Did you know how to moonwalk?
Too big te.
Oh, there's the tubig.
Wow. Too big te. Basta tubig.
Oh, dip in the color blue. Nak, dip in the color blue. Come on. Where's the color blue?
Yes. Look. Ooh! Whoa! Ooh!
It's sunny day.
Wow! Peekaboo! I see you.
Dip in the color first before you color it on the...
Swimming pool.
What's the swimming pool? Dip in the color red. Where's the red one? Huy. Where's the red one? Here's the red. Oh, nak. Nak. Here's the red one. Don't forget to dip in the color. You're always dipping it on the water lang. Oh, red. Oh, put it there. I color it there. Careful, okay?
Okay. Yeah. Oh, what's that?
How about the orange? Can you find the orange? Where's the orange? Nak. Is that orange? Here's the orange. Oh, put it there in the in the paper. Are you happy? May you see the happy one? Sus. Careful ha, baka matapon again yung water. Oops. Careful, baby.
Here comes the water.
Careful, okay?
Okay.
Sabihin mo kay Tay, Tay, make me a table, please.
Tay, make a table, please.
Oh, end the video muna. Ruby, end the video, come on.